If you're a freelancer, a student, or a business owner, naaalala nyo ba nung meron pa kayong performance evaluation sa work? Or yung mga report cards nyo sa school para malaman nyo kung saan kayo mag-improve? When you get to be a small business owner, no one does that for you anymore. I mean, it could be great at first kasi, ay, wala nang nag-check sa akin. Or wala nang nagbabantay sa'yo. But if you really want to keep on improving, self-awareness is key. I don't know about you, pero ako talaga, I really make time to evaluate my life. Not just by the end of the year or kapag magsaset ako ng goals, but I like to do it monthly. Just to see kung ano yung mga areas in my life I want to improve on. And then it also puts me into perspective and lets me think na, yung goal ko ba na to, ito pa rin yung gusto kong gawin for this year o hindi na? So if you are from this video, yung calendar blocking video natin, welcome back, lovely human. And if you are new here, I am Rizza and I talk about business, productivity, my imperfect zero-waste life, and everything self-care. So if gusto nyo yung mga ganyang videos, please consider subscribing and that would mean the world to me. So why am I actually making this video? Bukod sa ni-request nyo siya, gusto ko rin talagang i-guide kayo kung paano ko ginagawa yung monthly reset. Because for me, it's important to see my progress because I feel like you can't improve what you don't record and measure. I am also a very visual person. I like seeing my progress through my visual diary, through numbers, through data and analytics, just to give some sense into things. Monthly self-reviews also give me an idea what to start, stop, and continue, whether in life, in business, in my career, etc. It allows me to reflect for the month para ma-improve ko yung mga sunod kong month, but at the same time, celebrate even the smallest of wins because we always deserve to celebrate our wins. So today, I will finally be sharing with you my monthly self-review template. Again, it's on Notion, free yan, download nyo sa baba. You just have to duplicate it and feel free to customize it to your own liking. So now, you'll be seeing my screen kapag kinlik nyo yung link sa baba. Tapos, what you'll do is go here, click the 3 dots, tas duplicate nyo. So now, you go ahead and change the month. So we can put July here since it's July na ina-assess natin. Dito, naglagay lang ako ng icon but feel free to change it for yourself. If you want to add photos, you can click add cover. It's a very simple template. It's up to you to customize everything. Okay, for the wins tab, this is where we celebrate even the smallest of wins because we always deserve to celebrate that. So, usually, by the end of the month, parang makakalimutan mo na ano kaya yung mga nangyari, ano kaya yung mga pwede kong balikan and malista dito sa part na to. So, I actually have 5 ways to do this. First is I have my journals. I have physical journals. I put my feelings there if there's a win or if I'm not okay. Yan, tinitignan ko siya. I'll go through my July journal and then dun ko maaalala yung mga nangyayari. So as I go along, I will type it here dito sa wins part na to. Type my July wins through my number 1 journal. Wins how? Lagay ko na dito para may guide na rin kayo. First is your journal, if you have. Second is, pwedeng pumunta kayo sa photo album ng phone nyo. Tapos, tignan nyo yung mga videos, yung mga photos na nandun. Kasi, alam natin sa sarili natin na hindi lahat ng mga photos na nasa phone natin na ipopost natin sa social media. So, it's actually best na you check on your phone gallery. Lagay ko na dito. Third is social media. You can go back to the archives of your stories. Punta ka sa feed ng timeline mo or yung mga tinag sa'yo. Lagyan na natin dito. Okay. Fourth is ako personally, I use the Day 1 app. So Day 1 app is like a digital journal kasi as much as I want to write sa notebook, minsan kasi hindi maka-keep up yung kamay ko sa bilis ng thoughts sa utak ko. So mas mabilis kasi ako mag-type compared sa magsulat. Favorite ko to, by the way, yung app na to. So it's parang social media for myself. Parang siyang virtual diary where you can put photos, videos, audio files ng lahat ng gusto mong sabihin in life. So ako, I keep a journal for my personal life. I also keep a working or career journal. Doon ko yan lahat sa day 1 app ko nilalagay. So, lagay ko na rin dito, Reco. Day 1 app. Okay. Fifth naman is, ito recent ko lang siyang ginawa. I am starting to track my moods. And I use the Dailyo app for that. Makikita mo doon yung kung kamusta yung mood mo for the day. Kasi important din yun eh. It's important for me to track my moods also. Kasi madalas diba parang may notion tayo na parang, oh, my life sucks. I don't like my life anymore. But if I quantify and I have data to prove na hindi naman pala laging masama ang buhay. Hindi naman pala laging malungkot ang buhay. Kasi doon, it allows you to track kung happy ka ba sa araw na yon, or you laughed too hard that day, or okay lang yung araw mo. Kumbaga parang makikita mo yung progress ng kaganapan for your month. So that will also help you later in answering the questions dito sa ating monthly self-review tracker. Lagay natin. Reco Dailyo Mood Tracker. One thing I also like checking is my calendar. Kasi madalas, sa dami ng mga nangyayaring kaganapan sa buhay ko, hindi na rin maka-keep up yung gallery ko, hindi na rin maka-keep up yung day 1 app ko, hindi na rin maka-keep up yung journal ko. So, I like checking kung ano ba yung nangyari the past month, nung July, by checking my calendar. So, lagay din natin yan dito. Check your calendar. Okay. So now that you have all of those data here in your wins tab, pwede mo na ring masagot itong area na to. So how are you? Kamusta ka ba? Ayan. Swerte mo if laging may nangangamusta sa'yo. But if not, you can use this tool to really just assess yourself kung kamusta ka nga ba right now. So here, you can rate yourself from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. And ilalagay mo din dito kung bakit. So yan. As you can see, may mga life category. So, first column is our life category. Next is yung rate mo sa sarili mo sa start ng month and rate mo sa sarili mo by the end of the month. So, later, i-explain ko sa inyo bakit dalawang columns pa yan. And then, dito, ilalagay mo yung status. Ang nilagay ko dito, start, stop, and continue. And then, you also have a column here that asks why. Bakit yon yung grade mo sa sarili mo right now? Tapos, dito sa categories, feel free to change that and you can also put another row here if you want to, if may gusto ka pang i-rate na life category mo. So, say for example, ako with workout and yoga nung end of June, ito yung rate ko sa sarili ko. So, I was 8 with yoga. But now, ngayong July, nakapag-workout ako ng todo ngayon and I feel like I'm at 10 for July. And continue lang. Stop, start, continue. Continue lang kasi I was able to work out kahit wala si Miss O, yung trainer ko. She was on vacation but still did my thing. So, I'm proud of that. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Pwede kang mga notes dyan. Okay. Healthy meals. I would say I'm an 8 here. Kasi hindi ako masyadong consistent with my meal delivery service. So, lagyan natin. I wasn't so consistent with eating my delivery meal plans. Yeah. Feel free to change this if you want to. Hindi na natin tatapusin. Baka ilang oras tayo matapos dito. And then, dito nakalagay, this month in one word. July. July, I would say for myself, is patience. Yan. Patience talaga ang word for the month nung July kasi it wasn't really an ideal month for me. Maraming mga kaganapan na hindi inaasahan, ganyan. So, kaya rin, put this month in one word also. And then here, this month's struggles and what I learned. Ito, sobrang important din ito kasi to pause and reflect kung ano yung mga natutunan nyo for that month. Whether from a podcast, from a person, from a YouTube video, etc. Kasi maganda na nalalagay mo sa isang place is yung mga learnings mo din. Ayan. So, ako, I said that this month, it's okay to push people back and push people away if it costs you your peace. Next is to not allow people to gaslight you and you're allowed to have your own emotions. Tapos last month, diba Barbie? So, ang dami kong emotion doon. But, ang pinakamarami akong emotions was the song ni Billie Eilish na What Was I Made For. Grabe talaga. Nakailang iyak ako doon, mga madam. So, anyway, ayan. So, you can also put your current thoughts as you were doing it. And more lessons learned. Ayan, dito. Ayun. So, ganun siya. That's the monthly check-in template. Tapos, kunwari, end of August na, what you'll do is, kunwari, lagyan na lang natin ng mga numbers to. Kunwari, 9 lahat. Ayan. So, what you'll do by the end of August, i-duplicate mo to, diba? Duplicate. Tapos, kunwari, ano na to? August 2023. Ayan. Ika-copy mo ngayon to dito. And then, delete this. Ayan. Para, yung end of August naman yung i-rate mo. So, yun yung sense nitong dalawang columns na to. So, there you go. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope this video doesn't give you unnecessary pressure in your life. Again, this is meant to guide you. This is meant to steer you in the right direction. But then again, don't pressure yourself too much with the rating scale and kung kamusta ba. This is just to remind you na ito yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Ito yung mga okay ka naman. Ito yung mga pwede mo ma-start, stop, continue. And if there are things na nilagay nyong stop doon or start sa chart na yon, this is also just a reminder that you're still allowed to slack off, but also allow yourself to keep on trying again. Kahit pa ulit, just keep on trying again. Give yourself unlimited chances to try in life. So there you go. If you like this video, I hope you can consider liking and subscribing. For our next video, I'll share the apps na ginagamit ko everyday on my phone. If you're interested to know that, consider subscribing and I will see you on the next one.